Hi, my name is Chris, and this is the Vertiball Precision Massager. I get lower back pain sometimes, as well as some muscle soreness from being at my desk for too long. I've been using this. Now, this is great, but you have to wedge it between your back and the wall, and sometimes it falls down, you have to go pick it up. A little bit of a pain in the butt. This is supposed to suction to the wall, so you don't have to worry about that. You can just focus on massaging out your muscles. So, let's take a look at it. And there it is. I mean, it comes out pretty easily. It's actually a lot bigger than I expected it to be. It's actually about the size of half my face, but it looks pretty cool. Let me show you how it works. In order to get this onto the wall, you gotta disconnect the ball from the suction cup. So, push the lever down, pull this off, release this lever, right? Stick it on the wall, push the lever up to apply suction, pretty firm. Slide this back on, like that. There we go. Nice, firm. I'm not worried about it falling off. So, trying it out on my traps for the first time actually feels pretty good. My only concern right now is that this ball doesn't roll super smoothly. So you actually really have to apply a lot of pressure, go for that deep tissue massage. But I like that, so I don't mind it as much. I set this up for my lower back and it feels pretty good. I like it. Getting it off the wall is also pretty simple. Push this lever down, release the ball, undo the suction, and it comes off super simple. I finished testing it out and my overall impression is that it works great. My rating, 9 out of 10. Here's why. The suction cup sticks to every surface that I tried it on, super firm, super strong, and it's actually what Vertiball highly markets, so I love it. The ball works on every body part that I tried it on, neck, back, legs, feet, no complaints there. My biggest con, this ball takes a lot of pressure to roll, so you really have to like those deep tissue massages. You can actually take it out and you can see that, okay, one second. You can see that inside there's a bunch of small plastic circular mounts, right? And that's where you put the ball on. Theoretically, it should spin on them, and it does, but in future generations or future models, I'd like to see like a metal ball bearing inside so it gets it rolling a lot smoother. Overall though, I'm gonna use this going forward for my PT exercises or after the gym. I really like using it and I would recommend this to other people. That's all for the review. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you for the next one. On. Okay, so we don't do that, but it's pretty easy to put back in.